there are certain persons who are exempted from quarantining when they hold certain responsible posts. Practically, the guidelines is applicable to each and every citizen of the country. I do concede, but there are certain exemption clauses. There are certain persons who are exempted from quarantining when they hold certain responsible posts. See, if the doctors and nurses, if they are not allowed to come to the hospital, can we eradicate or can we contain this coronavirus? If the supply of medicine is not properly done, what doctors can do for the patients? If the supply and other things are not properly done by the government, is it not the failure of the government? So I am a minister. I am heading that pharmaceutical ministry, and I should see that in each and every corner of the country there should be sufficient supply of medicines. You know, recently the President of America, right from Trump, all the countries, European countries, all the Asian countries, they requested India to supply hydrochloroquine, paracetamol. Prime Minister agreed, and because of the pressure and because of the initiation taken by the Prime Minister, we could able to supply everywhere. So to see the movement of this pharma materials, especially the medicines, it is the responsibility of a minister. I was there in Delhi only. I would have come to Bengaluru by some other flight. By a chartered flight I would have come, but I have not come. Being a minister, when the flight starts and when I am exempted under the clause by the state government as well as by the central government, I am coming under the exemption clause. So what is there? See, I have got my app, Arogya Setu app. Arogya Setu app. In the Arogya Setu app, I can show you. See. It is green now. So you are safe now. Apart from that, in my department, I used to attend to my office regularly to perform my duties and all that. Once in 3-4 days, we used to be checked by the doctor from AIMS also. So if I don't supply proper medicines across the country, what will happen, sir, tomorrow? Corona will double, triple. It will what happened in America, what happened in Italy, what happened in Germany, that will repeat here only because of the Prime Minister's initiation. He has done it. I have gone to various states when I was there at Delhi. But I thought that flying by a charter flight or special flight, it is not fair. So today I came over here. I am having a meeting at 4 o'clock with the ministers of Karnataka government, health minister, the deputy chief minister and all that. What are the situations, how the medicines are supplied, is there any scarcity? So if I am quarantined, what will happen, sir? If the doctors are quarantined, if the persons who are supplying medicines are quarantined, if the nurses are quarantined, what will happen? So they can't equate me with the other persons.